What's up, everybody? This is your boy, K Smooth. Look, I'm in the K Smooth garage, and I just took off of my GL 1800 2005 Gold Wing. I took the heated gear cable from that motorcycle to transfer it over to my 2023 Indian Pursuit. Now, before we install that, we're gonna lift the motorcycle. As you can see right now, we're gonna lift the motorcycle, and that lift is Big Blue. That's Big Blue, and this is the very first time that I have actually used this lift on this motorcycle. Now, kind of a little scary because this lift comes with attachment for Can-Am Gold Wing, and it has a standard, as you would say, this is a standard attachment to the lift. So that's the one I'm using right now. I'm not satisfied with how it is, but I just have to do some basic, I don't know. I just have to figure it out. But it's up in the air. It's gonna be great for detailing the bike, that kind of stuff. Especially if you have bad knees like I do. And man, I mean, this lift is everything. I do have video at lifting the Gold Wing and the Can-Am. So those videos that you have to go back and look at. But anyway, check it out. That is up in the air. So stay tuned to this transfer of this cable. Okay, guys, how y'all doing? This K Smooth. Welcome to the channel. Getting ready to put my heated gear cable, the battery cable, hook you up to the battery. Getting ready to try to go to Daytona, and now I'm gonna tell you right now, we did that a couple years ago, and man, it was cold. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a glimpse of the battery. I've already taken off the battery guard. So I'm just gonna show you and turn this thing around, or maybe not. Give me just a second and I'll show you this the battery. Okay, guys, as you can see, I've already taken the battery guard off, and so only thing I have to do now is basically just put this, trying to do this and video at the same time, but this is all I have to do. Just go ahead and hook the that's the positive there and the negative, and just hook that up, and then basically put the guard back on, and in the process of putting the guard back on is to run this cable where it's not dragging and it won't get caught or anything like that. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys, as you can see, I've got the cables on that hooks up to my heated gear. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them up all the way, put the radiator shroud back on, the battery guard, button it all up, and then we're gonna do a test run. We're gonna see if this heated gear works, and if it does, we are roll ready. All right, guys, you see that right there? That's that California heated gear right there. So look here, I got it all hooked up. I got the gloves on. Well, I got a glove on, and I got the jacket on. And when I tell you, it works. It works. So we're gonna button everything back up, y'all. We getting ready to go to Daytona. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. All right, people. K Smooth in the house. Man, look, y'all keep on doing what you're doing. Motorcycle Moments. I'm gonna see you out there, and I'm gonna holler at you. Tell me your story. All right. Peace. All right, guys, I am back. Went ahead and did it off camera. Just putting the radiator shroud on and the battery cover, the bracket and the cover. So we got that on, and took a little minute because that was my first time doing it. Wanted to do everything right. Wanted to put everything back together the way it came off. So if I was to do it again, you know, basically, I could just go right through it and with no hesitation. So anyway, let me show you that it's all back together. So it's all back together. I've got the heated gear cord ran through, and there you see the cord. You see the cord right there. Now all I have to do is just figure out a way how I want to run it. So guys, after I run it, go ahead and cause we already know the heated gear works. I mean, it's all hooked up. Well, it was hooked up, and I tried it out. Feels pretty good. Took everything off of the Gold Wing. And took it off the Gold Wing, and we put it on the Indian Pursuit. Look at that right there. What that say? Indian Pursuit. So I'm glad you guys tuned in to the channel. I will be coming out with more videos in later days and weeks. I did this so I could prepare. I'm gonna take a small trip before I go to Daytona. I'm gonna head to Cache City. Yeah, y'all know what that is. So I'm gonna do that trip, and it's gonna be cold. So I had to put that heated gear on. So man, I'm anxious. I can't wait. I haven't rode this bike yet. I've had this bike actually maybe a little over a month, and I have not rode the bike. Imagine that. I mean, I'm ready. I'm so ready. So anyway, we're going to get off of here. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Please comment on the channel. I'd like to hear your thoughts. You know, so just hit me up, leave a comment, and we're going to get off here. See you on the next one. K Smooth, the smoothest one.